A standard user is the most basic level of user permission. This type of user can read, edit, and create activities from projects they have been given access to. They can also run export for these projects. The next level of user permissions is a data manager. The first difference it has from a standard user can easily be seen. On the Home tab, Iris gives you the option to invite other users to an account. To do so, you need to enter the person whom you want to invite their first name, last name, and email address. Next, you need to select the permissions. Note that the account administrator option is faded, since that account doesn't have the authority to assign a new user as an account administrator. So you can choose either standard user or data manager depending on how much authority you want that person account to have. Let's choose standard user. The last step is to choose which project can the new account have access to. The newly invited account can only work on those projects that you selected. Please note, you can only share projects which you also have access to. Finally, click Invite and an email will be sent to that person's email inbox. That email contains a new Iris account user ID and a randomly generated password for that account. The person receiving the email can then use that information to log into Iris and work on those projects which were assigned to them. Data Manager can delete activities. Next to every table in the tab, there's a square box. If you click on this box, a garbage bin will appear. You can simply click on it to delete the selected activity. Another additional permission for a data manager versus a standard user relates to the freeze and unfreeze function. The freeze function prevents any changes being made to an activity in an active project. To perform the freeze function, you simply choose an activity that you want to freeze by clicking on this square box. A snowflake icon will appear. Click on it and Iris will freeze that activity for you. If you want to unfreeze the table to enter new records or modify records, click on that table, check the square box, and you will see a sun icon where the snowflake icon once was. Click on the sun icon and Iris will unfreeze that table. Finally, there are account administrators. They can assign account administration permissions to other users and accept terms and conditions. The key point here being that they are taking responsibility for the account on behalf of their organization.